Hi everyone, this is Amanda from HSG Laser. We are now in our Foshan headquarters. We are a national high-tech enterprise and always focus on research and development, production and sales of metal forming intelligent equipment. And we are committed to offering users laser intelligent equipment and solutions, including laser cutting machine, welding machine, bending machine, and automation devices. Today, I want to recommend this machine to you. It is one of our most popular machines, which has been sold over 500 sets only 1 year after its launch. It performs better in cutting efficiency, intelligence, and operating convenience. That's GT Pro. Let's get straight to the point. You can see its configuration sheet on the screen. Before delivery, GT Pro will accept reinforcing tests aimed at its cutting head, laser source, and machine bed precision. For example, we carry out 44 optical detection for the cutting head, 60 tests for cutting performance, and 136 tests for assembly debugging. Only in this way can our ultra-high power machine gain more stable cutting capacity under extreme conditions. GT Pro is equipped with P10 or P20 intelligent cutting head developed by our Japanese subsidiary. Its special laser pulse reshaping and intelligent switch of laser sport can make stable and non-stop cutting of thin and thick sheet possible. No matter how long it cuts, P10 can adjust its focus accurately and correct in self-adaptive way. So the cutting quality is secured by P10's well-positioned focus. Besides, there is a sensor fast cooling module below cutting head to cool itself down quickly and prolong its service life. With our optical lens of high transmittance, real-time monitoring of processing status, early warning of malfunction, thick sheets are cut steadily. I guess another big surprise for you is the brain of GT Pros. That's AlphaT bus control system. AlphaT is compatible with MES system and can transmit data via one network cable. Scan and cut at ultra high speed. Its cutting precision can reach 0.1 millimeter at the speed of 30 meters per minute. Moreover, AlphaT is also featured by its optimal integrated nesting, simple but efficient man-machine interaction, anti-collision cutting head, flexible or batch processing pattern, ultra-high-speed scanning and cutting, fly cutting with micro connection, special thick sheet cutting technology, real-time monitoring, and regular maintenance reminder. Let's check GT Pro's carbon steel welded machine bed. The whole bed has good rigidity, little heat absorption, excellent heat dissipation, and deformation prevention. It is designed as semi-hollow structure, so it is good for minimizing heating area and preventing any possible deformation. When it comes to the drive system, I'm so proud to say that GT Pro imports the complete set of speed reducer, gear wheels, and helical racks from Germany Rittenstein Alpha. These international first-class transmission components will help us to redefine the cutting precision criteria. Next, I will introduce our upper and lower exchange platform, which is driven by dual motors and only takes 15 seconds to complete an exchange every time. Its loading efficiency is 3 times faster than that of hydraulic lifting platforms. They are positioned accurately and work independently with no impact on each other's precision. In this way, it is easier for the operator to clean the snag under the tables. In terms of the crossbeam, GT Pro is made of lightweight 6 series aviation aluminum alloy and has good dynamic performance. The crossbeam is designed as anti-compressive honeycomb structure in accordance with aerospace standards. We prefer to environmental friendly cutting. The cutting area is divided into small zones and has butterfly valve dampers shutting on and off according to the cutting head coordinate axis. So its strong suction makes smoke-free and environmental-friendly cutting possible. Next, standardized wiring. We adopt integrated electrical cabinets and separate strong current from weak current area. This cabinet caters to European CE standards. Its wiring dot is distributed, which helps to prohibit signal interference and frictional loss among cables. Now, our engineer will present 12 kilowatt cutting 30 millimeter carbon steel by oxygen. As you can see, the cutting is very fast and smoke-free. Cross-section of this sample is very smooth. Generally speaking, the cutting speed of air is 3 times faster than that of oxygen. Compared with high-pressure cutting, the low-pressure cutting doesn't require high-pressure, high-energy air compressor. Therefore, total energy consumption will be reduced by 50%. Besides, air cutting is effective and faster than nitrogen while cutting conventional materials. I believe air cutting can completely satisfy your daily processing demands. Finally, what I want to emphasize is that GT Pro guesses efficient, intelligent, simple but powerful functions by AlphaT bus control system, bus laser resonator, P10 intelligent cutting head, international first-class transmission component, highly efficient and intelligent cutting technology. GT Pro is really a star product of HSG laser. After listening to above introduction, do you want to know more details about our fiber laser machine? If so, please contact us according to the information on the screen. HSG has established 4 standardized intelligent manufacturing bases, covering over 80,000 square meters in total in domestic area, 2 wholly owned subsidiaries in Germany and Japan, over 100 global service outlets. In 2020, we have sold over 3,000 such machines worldwide. We are glad to invite you to visit our factories and check our machines. Hope to serve and cooperate with you. See you next time. Bye.